Okay, guys, I'm going to do a really difficult one. So it's kind of like a power up. It's What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn that friendly bat into an evil bat. Yeah, I have the friendly bat turn into an evil bat and chase you or chase the knight. Okay, so first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a a boolean, a true or false. Yeah, so I'm going to right hand mouse button here, and it's a global variable. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a global variable. I'm going to call it is my bat evil. Yeah, and it's not going to be a number. It's going to be boolean, true or false. The initial value is off. Yeah, which means that it's false. So at the moment, the global variable about is my bat evil is turned to off, and I can see this global boolean is my bat evil is false. Yeah, now I'm not using that at all at the moment, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, it's just sitting there, it's doing nothing much. Okay, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an event. I'm going to say, yeah, that when the friendly bat, yeah, when it is on collision with the bogey, yeah, stuff's going to happen. Stuff's going to go down. Okay. So what I'll say to start off with, when it hits that, let's make the bogey get destroyed. Destroyed, destroy bogey. Yeah. Okay. So it destroys the bogey. What else happens when it hits? I'm going to make the friendly bat, yeah, get giant. So I'm going to go like that. I'm going to scale, set the scale. I'm going to make it three times its size. Yeah. So it's going to be three times as large, and I'm going to make it move really fast. So I'm going to make the friendly bat. I'm going to set its move to. So at the moment, it's moving to another product. It's moving at a certain speed. I think it was like 240. What we're going to do is we're going to make it as fast as the knight, which I think is 340. So I'm going to set the maximum speed to 340. Yeah, and now it's going to go really, really, really fast. Okay. So and also what I'm going to do is I'm going to I'm going to change the boolean. Yeah, the system. I'm going to set that to true. So when the friendly bat hits the bogey, he's going to kill the bogey. He's going to go to a scale of 3. He's going to go super fast, and the system wide boolean value is going to be set to true. Okay. So once that happens, yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this new event about what happens when the knight collides with a friendly bat. Yeah, when that boolean is on. So when the knight collides with the friendly bat, yeah, what's going to go down? Yeah. Ooh, when the knight collides with a friendly bat and right hand mouse button add another condition, and the system wide boolean is my bat evil is set to true. Yeah. So I've just set is my bat evil to true. That's it. So I don't know why I can't set it true or false. I guess it just sets it to true because at the moment it's set to false, and now we're going to change its set. So I guess because it's Boolean, it's a true or false. It's either on or it's off. Yeah. So we'll add an action. So what happens when it hits it? We're going to destroy the knight. Okay, fantastic. Knight destroyed. So we destroy the knight, and then what else happens? So it's done. I could either, first of all, I'm going to wait. Yep. Wait for a couple of seconds, yeah, and then we can either go. So Mr. Martinez's he had it set up that what you would do is you would go back to the back and restart the layout, yeah. So from here I go restart the layout and that'll be it, yeah. So on this, let's press play, and I've just moved my man, my knight, to just before the bogey. So I'm just going to move him to there. I'm going to wait for the bat to chase us. So the bat's coming all the way from the start. Oh, here he comes. Let's move. Ah, he's gotten large and he's now evil. Yeah. If I stop, he's going to hit me. Yep. And I restart the layout. So I start back where I started before. Yeah. What I could do, and I'm going to do this, so we waited 2 seconds and then we restarted the layout. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to change that. I'm going to say go to layout, and I'm going to go to the layout of windscreen. Yeah. Hit done. So now when my friendly bat, when the knight is hit by the friendly bat and it's evil, yeah, we destroy the knight and we go to the windscreen. So let's see what happens there. So I'm going to go to about here. I'm going to wait for the bat to come and collect us. So I move there. See, the bat's fine, yeah? And then I run to here, and then the bat turns into evil. I stop, bang, and then wait 2 seconds, and then I go to the end screen, okay? So I actually prefer that there, yeah? Now, a problem that we've got with this is that the friendly bat turns evil, and he's evil for the rest of the game. Now, if you want that to happen, that's fine. But in actual fact, there's a few other things that that I want to get through. So I want to get through here. I want to have the music, the disco. I want to go through there, and I want to collect all these things, and I want to win. Now, if the bat is running at the same speed as me, then I'm going to have to be pretty fast to get through there. So what Mr. Martinez has actually suggested is let's make Is My Bat Evil just for a certain amount of time, and then let's go back to it. So I've got the bogey, Is My Bat Evil set to true. What I'm going to do is I'm now going to add an action, and I'm going to allow it to just be evil for 8 seconds. Yeah. So I'm going to go to wait for 8 seconds, and then make him go back to, yeah, I want to set the Boolean to the other way. Yeah. So what I'll do is I'll set the scale, set value, set scale. Can somebody see that? Set scale to, set size, set scale to 1. Yeah. So after 8 seconds, he's going to go back to normal size. Yeah. And he's also going to, I'm going to make the speed of him as well. Speed, set his maximum speed to back down to what it was before, which was 250. So I'm going to slow him down, and I'm going to turn him, I'm going to make him no longer evil. So I'll go to system, and I'll go to that Boolean, set the Boolean to false. Yeah. So hopefully now what will happen is he'll only be evil for 8 seconds. Yeah. So what I'll do is I'll hit play. You'll be there in a tick. So let's wait for the bat to come and catch us up, and let's hope that I don't die in between the bat catching me for the 8 seconds. Ah, there he is. I'm going like that. So he's big, but he's only going to be big for 8 seconds. So as long as he doesn't catch me, I get in there, the music turns on, and hopefully we're over 8 seconds now. So let's see. There he is, and he's small again. Yeah, you can see that. Great. So he's turned himself off. So I've waited 8 seconds, set the scale to 1, move him to 250, and I've set Is My Bat Evil to false. So no longer will he be able to destroy me. Okay. So that's a kind of a power-up thing that you could use, or you think about how you might be able to use that in your game to create an interesting thing. So I'm going to actually move all that. I'm going to move that up to turning bat evil. Come on. Why can't I do that? Click that, drag it up to turn the bat evil. No, sorry. I'm going to grab that and turn it to turn bat to evil. Yeah. And then I'm going to turn that, and I'm going to drag that, and I'm going to move that to turn bat evil. Yeah, I'll be there in a tick. Yeah. So now I've got turning the bat evil. I've got the skeleton disco, collecting cups to win. I think I've done the whole lot. The killer gobbo and the sword energy slash are actually the same thing. Yeah, so I'll leave that there. Okay. So if you've done all those things, then you are doing super. Yeah. You can now you've got a whole bunch of code that you can then use and combine for your own game. Okay. Fantastic.